Hello designers! Today we're talking all about accent walls and how you can create them with Planner 5D. Don't get me wrong, I love the look of a room with just one paint color, but sometimes you just want a statement piece. You can of course go the route of adding a solid accent wall, or you can try one of these 10 trendy ideas to give your room another dimension. Before we start, I wanted to let you know that we do have a 7-day free trial where you'll have unlimited access to the Pro membership. This is a great way to try out a free version of our top tier plan, and I highly recommend it. I also highly recommend that you like this video. Maybe we could get 100 likes. I don't know, it's up to you. But please. Alright, let's get started. First up, let's create an accent wall using a magic cube. These cubes are super versatile and give you the ability to make so many custom items. All you have to do is resize the cube to fit the wall and then customize the texture and color. And from there, you can play with the height until you find the look you like. Next up, we'll show you how you can use decor items to create an accent. Using a mirror from the decor category, flip it so that you see the solid side on the back, resize, and then customize the color or texture. If you want to create a rounded accent wall, you can simply use a circular painting or a mirror, and then adjust the levitation to sit wherever you want on the wall. For this next one, we're going back to our trusty magic cube. Try experimenting with different placements on the wall. If you want a layered accent wall, you can try stacking different items on top of each other. Just make sure that the depth is a smaller number so you don't get any weird overlaps. You're also not limited to just the walls. In this example, try adding a magic cube on the wall and then duplicating it so that you can add a continuation of the accent on the ceiling. The next two examples should be a great reminder to not be afraid of stepping outside of the box when it comes to repurposing items from the Planner 5D catalog. It's fun to play around with the decor items by adjusting their sizes and colors and seeing the item in a completely different way. For the next two examples, if you need a triangular accent wall, you can use one of the models from the roof category. If you want to use another triangle on the opposite side, just duplicate the layer and flip it. Then you can play around with different color combinations. I want to give a huge shout out to the designers at Planner 5D. I was really blown away by their creativity. I had never even thought of these hacks before, so please show them some love by giving this video a like. Let us know in the comments which accent was your favorite, and don't forget about that 7-day free trial. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.